Hi. Hi, this is Lauren Thomas with John R. Wood Properties, just giving you a little footage from my virtual open house. Here I am at Sanibel Sunset, and I'll take you on a tour. Hi, it's mid-April. I'm on Sanibel Beach in Florida, and it's a little overcast day. The temperature's dropped, the tide's coming in. Just in case that you've missed the beach, here it is in video just for you. Pretty deserted. I wanted to show you my condo, 2959 West Gulf Drive, number 301, top floor, with a fabulous view of Sanibel Beach and the Gulf of Mexico. Welcome, 301 Sanibel Sunset, and we're going in. This is a wonderful 3-bedroom condo with 2 baths on Gulf front. There's the Gulf of Mexico. Actually, you can see the beach patrol going down, checking on the sea turtle nests. There's a beautiful Gulf of Mexico, our path. Okay, and we are standing in the lanai. You can see beautiful views everywhere with a nice wet bar, ice maker, wine fridge, beautiful tile on the diagonal. The ceilings are a little bit higher. This condo was redone, including PVC plumbing in 2008. The doors are mahogany, solid, and now we're in the master, and you can see on this side we've got a wonderful balcony. You can open the screen so you have unobstructed view, and of course the sunset, because Sanibel is an island and it is almost like a boomerang, that the sunset will come from over here. If you don't like watching it from inside, you can always go outside to the beach. The master bath is a 5-piece bath with wonderful cabinetry. Cabinetry was done in Naples. Wonderful detail. Nice big soaking tub, large shower, and a nice organized closet. We got some natural light with the skylights throughout the condo. As we head back into the living room, you see it's wide open, great room concept. Again, the higher ceilings with crown molding. The mahogany built-in shelves over here. The dining room has ample area for a table of 6. It could be expanded when you have large gatherings. We've got granite countertops, wonderful Wolfe appliances. Again, the detail by Renovated in Naples. In here, we do have a warming drawer. There's your induction Wolfe range. Your dishwasher. And over here is a Subzero fridge and freezer. There's your appliance garage as well. We have a nifty little ironing board that hides in this little drawer over here in the laundry room. You got a washer, dryer, utility sink. You can use this counter for your catch-all, or you could use it for a little home office. Also, we have a hot water heater that is a tankless commercial brand. Lovely pantry. Again, the mahogany doors. There's a guest bathroom, even with a little shelf to put your shampoos on. Medicine cabinet. So we go into the 2 guest bedrooms. 2 queen beds, easily fit. A little private entrance here. You can come up from the beautiful pool through your own door, or maybe up from the beach with your sandy feet, never having to walk through the entire condo. They did an ingenious little closet here with up storage for your extra comforters and pillows. Here's our last bedroom. Same thing, nice queen bed, ample size, oversized closets, and also an entrance to the private balcony. There's the back steps. So this is 2959 Sanibel Sunset, number 301, Penthouse, top floor, on the market for $2 million. Make your dreams come true. Hi, it's Lauren again, and we're back at Sanibel Sunset 301, looking at the pool. Beautiful, brand new pool furniture, umbrellas, hot tub, heated. And as I turn around, you're going to be able to see the condo. behind me, 6 units only. So nice, easy to work with your members. Hi, it's Lauren Thomas again with John Wood Properties, walking out 2959 West Gulf Drive, number 301. You can see it behind me. This is our pathway to the beach. There's the Gulf of Mexico right behind me. And if I look again to the unit, corner, top floor, right there on your right-hand side.